If you find yourself in a relationship where you have to wonder if your girl is actually in love with you or not, the relationship probably needs evaluating. It can be quite difficult to recognize how a girl thinks or feels. Therefore, you need to understand and pinpoint the signs that she is actually in love with you. Men and women show similar signs when they are in love, therefore it may be difficult to distinguish between the two. In this video, you will find 10 signs which are specifically to help you find out the girl's in love or not. Let's begin. I love you. When a girl is in love with someone and tells him she loves him, she truly means it. She will move mountains because of him. I miss you. Girls are way more immature than women, and usually, they don't know how to control their feelings. A girl in love is like someone on a love drug. Therefore, if she says the words, I miss you, you better believe it. Excuses. If a girl is always giving excuses as to why she can't spend time with you or watch a movie with you, it's time to hit the road because she is not interested in you or the relationship any longer. Ex-crushes. A girl's ex-crush will almost always be in her mind, while her ex-love will always be in her heart. If you want to be the one in a girl's heart, try to be better than her ex-love. Checking up on her. A simple text or a phone call during the day will make her feel loved. Girls love attention, and if you want her to fall deeper in love with you, make sure you check up on her often. Show interest. Psychology says that when two people love each other, they tend to show interest in each other's activities. Showing interest in a girl's likes and dislikes will make her fall deeper in love with you. Gifts. Girls love men that are independent, strong, and ones that can provide for them. If you occasionally shower her with gifts, she will adore you and think of you as thoughtful and caring. Taking advice from her. If a girl loves you, she will really appreciate you more if you listen to her advice and actually use it. She will feel like an important part of your life. Fighting. If a girl really loves you, she will fight with you very often. Psychology says that a relationship without fighting shows that there is a distance between both parties. Proud. A girl will love you more if you show her that you are proud to have her by your side. Holding her hands in public and showing her affection when other beautiful girls are around will make her fall head over heels for you